Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the AKB 75,375,604 LG TV Remote Control Replacement. A universal remote designed to bring simplicity and convenience to your LG Smart TV experience. If your original remote is lost, broken, or just not working properly, this replacement promises a hassle-free solution. Right out of the box, setup couldn't be easier. All you need are two AAA batteries, and you're ready to go. There's no need for programming, pairing, or entering codes. The remote comes preloaded with LG codes for plug-and-play functionality, so you can start controlling your TV immediately. Whether it's powering on your set, adjusting the volume, changing channels, or navigating menus. The AKB 75,375,604 delivers smooth, responsive performance with a signal range of up to 40 feet. This means you can control your TV from anywhere in the room without any lag or frustration. One of the standout features of this remote is its dedicated streaming shortcut buttons. You get quick access to Netflix and Prime Video at the touch of a button, eliminating the need to navigate multiple menus just to start your favorite shows and movies. This is perfect for anyone who spends a lot of time on streaming services and wants a more seamless entertainment experience. Design-wise, this remote is built for comfort and durability. It's lightweight, fits naturally in your hand, and features responsive rubber buttons that ensure smooth navigation and long-lasting performance. It's crafted to closely match the look and feel of your original LG remote, so you won't feel like you're holding a third-party accessory. This wide range ensures that it will fit seamlessly into nearly any LG Smart TV setup. The AKB 75,375,604 is more than just a functional replacement, it's designed for everyday convenience. From its easy setup to its responsive buttons and dedicated streaming shortcuts. It allows you to regain full control of your entertainment without the frustration of complicated programming or unreliable signals. If you're looking for a reliable, ergonomic, and fully compatible LG TV remote replacement. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a detailed review of the latest tech essentials.